This mod enhances NFS Carbon with realistic lighting, improved visuals, and a modern look. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Just scroll down and go to Files tab and select Manual Download option and select Download option and select Slow Download option and it will start downloading. Open up new tab and search Reshade. Select the official Reshade site. Select the download option and select Download Reshade with full add-on support. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the visual zip file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, open this add-on. Select OK. Select the browse option and navigate to the game folder. Program file 686 Electronic Arts NFS Carbon and select the game exe file and select open option and select next. Select the S option. Select DirectX 9 and select next. Select the browse option and go to downloads and double click on the reshade visual and select the configuration settings and select open option and select next. Select next again and select finish. And now we have successfully installed the reshade. Open the game. Once you are in game, press the home key and select continue. Again continue and go to settings. Effect toggle key. Set a key you like. I'm gonna set it to 1 and then go back to home. Select continue and select finish and select reload and press the effect toggle key. In my case it's 1. Effects are disabled. Press 1 to enable them again. Press the 1 key. To close this panel, press the home key. And I'm going to show you guys in game before and after. Once you are in game, press the toggle key. In my case, it's 1. Press the key, and this is before, and this is after. After look is like real life. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.